Okay guys, let's get into the video. For today we're going to review one of the best brokers where you can trade your stocks or your options. So this is proposed for the people in the UK, the EU and the US. So if you're in these countries and you're looking for the best site or the best brokerage firm to invest in your stock with a very low minimum capital, so this website is for you. So guys, if you're using your mobile phone, your desktop, your iPhones, your Android, whatever means you can access the internet, just head to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Safari or Firefox, and hit on this search bar freetrade.io. yeah, freetrade.io, and hit on the search bar. Yeah guys, you can see that the website is very well customized. And guys, there are things I look out for in a broker before I even think of investing in that broker. I will review one of them now, but if you watch to the end of the video, I will have the second one as a bonus. So the first thing I look at a broker is when you look at the left hand side of this website, you can see a key icon. The key icon simply means that this website is well protected against theft, against hackers and spammers. So if you're uploading your personal documents like your Gmail, like your passport, you don't have to be scared. So let's quickly go and see what this website have for us today. So this website also have app. You can download the app from either Play Store or App Store, and they also have a mobile desktop version. So invest in your future. Join over 1 million people using Freetrade. So guys, you will not be the only one making use of this platform. There are over millions of people who are extensively making use of this platform day in, day out. So one of the things I like about this platform is that they specifically say that our capital can be at risk. That is, if you're investing in a wrong broker, your capital can be at risk. And as well, if you're investing as a newbie who doesn't know how to invest properly on the best stocks to buy, when to sell, your capital can as well be at risk. So this brokerage firm is telling us that our capital can be at risk. So they are offering us the best ways we can invest, giving us the best shares that you can make money from online investing. So build your portfolio. Invest commission free in over 6,000 UK versus US and European stocks and ETFs. Other charges may apply. See full pricing table. So if you want to see the full pricing table, you can click on this place here, so you can see the full pricing table. So you are investing in over 6,000 UK stocks. So they are offering you more than 6,000 stocks that you can diversify and build your portfolio. So some of the stocks you can invest in are the ETSY, the Apple, the iShares, the Windows, and the rest. So invest tax efficiency. So guys, one of the things that scares people out of investing is the tax they have to pay. So but this place is offering a free commission and tax efficient method. Invest up to 20,000 euro free from UK income tax and capital gain. So if you're investing with this platform, the tax you're gonna pay is gonna be very minimum. So this is one of the pros of this website. If you're investing with them, the tax you ought to pay is gonna be very minimum. So they can as well help you to plan for retirement. So if you are planning to retire very soon, they can help you to invest on a retirement firm that will enable you, when you retire, you can still be having some income at your disposal. All your pension under one roof with a self-invested personnel pension. So they are offering a program called self-invested personnel pension that will enable you to have some money even after you have retired. So they have eligibility and tax rule should apply. So they are making their rules known, that there's no hidden charges. Like I said on the onset of the video, there are no hidden charges. Everything is being exposed here. So you can as well earn up to 3% interest between investments. So every investment you have made, every investment you're gonna make, you earn up to what? 3%. Put your money to work between investments, get 3% invest interest on uninvested cash up to 4,000 euro on the plus plan, and 1% up to 2,000 euro on the standard. So they have two plans they are offering to us. They have the standard one, and they have the plus one. So it depends on the one you want to invest, you want to start up with. So let's quickly go down to see how we can invest on this platform. So get fast, friendly customer service. So they're offering a very fast and friendly customer service. So guys, there was one website I tried to access, and the customer service was so hostile, I was turned off. So but this website is offering a friendly customer service, so you don't have to be tensed or anxious about your money, because they're gonna help you out when you have a simple problem. Simple pricing plans, like I told us guys, they have two pricing plans you can key in from. Okay, they have three simple pricing plans packed with value. As your portfolio grows, your fee stays low. So this guys, as I said before, this platform is very, very unique because they are emphasizing on very low fee, very low task. So you can see the full pricing comparison in this icon, but let's see from this outface. So the first one is the basic, and they have 0.00 per month, so you don't have to pay anything per month. So the bonuses of this basic plan is general investment account. So they're going to provide you with an investment account, and they'll provide you with commission free trades. Other charges may apply. So they are offering you a commission free trade. You don't have to pay any commission when you are dealing with this stock broker. Fractional shares, fractional US shares. So you can buy US shares in fractions. You don't have to go and buy a whole unit or a whole bulk. No, you can buy some fractions of the US shares. So access to more than 1,500 stocks, including the most popular shares and ETFs. So they are giving you access to just 1,500 stocks, including the most popular ones. So if you want to upgrade and say, I want to trade more, I want to engage on more features and more benefits, you can go on to the standard plan, which is 4.99 euro per month. So they're offering general investment accounts, and they're also offering stocks and shares and ISA. So the benefit of this plan is full range of over 6,000 US, UK, and EU stocks and ETFs. So when you upgrade to this plan, they are offering you 6,000 US and UK stocks that you can choose from. You can diversify and build your portfolio. Automated order types. So they give you automated order types. Wow, this particular one is very, 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 very interesting, because once it is automated, you can quickly set in your orders and leave it until it triggers and moves on your favor. Advanced stock fundamentals. So they are going to give you fundamental news. Like guys, when I talked about the brokers, I thought that the brokers can as well help us with research and investment tips. So this brokerage is offering advanced stock fundamentals. So the next one is 1% on uninvested cash up to maximum of $2,000. So if you have a $2,000 in your account and you have not invested it on anything, but it is on this broker, they'll pay you 1% of that uninvested cash. So the last but not the least that I have here is the plus plan. That is about $10 per month. So the features are general investment account, stock and shares ISA, self-invested personnel pension. So everything in standard plus. They will give you 3% on uninvested cash up to maximum of $4,000. Priority customer service, free trade web beta. So the why I would prefer this plus plan is this self-invested personnel pension. So you are preparing yourself ahead of the future in case of your retirement. So guys, you can explore this website to see more of what it can offer to you. Remember, it have access to the people in the. Okay guys, in summary, what is Freetrade? Freetrade is an award-winning investing app with over 1 million users. So if you not get anything in this video, just know that Freetrade is for stock investment and option investment. So guys, like I promised, there's a bonus I promised us at the beginning of this video that if you watch to the end, I'm gonna give you one of the things I check out for in a broker before I even engage. So the next thing I check out in a broker before I engage is the regulation. So every broker you are making use of, every broker you want to engage yourself with must be what? Regulated. So guys, if you are investing or trading with a non-regulated broker, you stand a chance of losing all your money. So guys, this Freetrade is regulated by what we call FSC. And as I said, all Freetrade accounts are covered by the Financial Service Compensation Scheme. Financial Service Compensation Scheme. So you can find out more about this here, about how we keep our customers' money safe. So they are prioritized on how to keep our money safe. So you can quickly just sign in on this account, get the app, sign in on the account, and log in. You cannot log in from the website, you can only log in from the app. So when you get the app, you sign in and you can be able to log in. So guys, if you like this tutorial video and want us to do more reviews, more honest reviews on option brokers and forex brokers, please tell us on the comment section and we'll get back to you latest 24 hours. So stay safe until next time. Peace.